Don Zulueta at ang ating mga kaibigan. From Chardon to Penguin to La Zulueta. Thank you! Salamat. Okay, let's talk about this new movie, Love Me Tomorrow, with Piolo Pascual. Your immersion, tell us the story.
We had an immersion with our director, Gino Santos. Gino Santos is only 26 years old.
Wow.
He's old enough to be my son sa pagkadalaga ko. Pwede.
Okay.
And
If he's old enough to be your son, he's old enough to be my apo.
oh my God, imagine that. Huwag na natin isipin ko.
Okay. All right.
But anyway, I'm having so much fun because I'm learning a lot from him, from Gino. Siyempre, iba yung genre na nakasanayan ni Gino, but it's a genre also that I am not familiar with. So, for
I
example...
do like getting into genres that
boy, I really consider myself lucky. Because at my age, I was given this particular kind of project to do naman something different. Kasi siyempre, ang madalas na ginagawa ko, melodrama. Di ba? Mother roles, ganyan, no? So, ito maiiba naman yung kinukontra.
But this time, it's different.
It's different.
Because you're involved in a lot. Try it.
I'm working with the young ants. Di ba?
Galing ka?
Bagets. So,
No, but you're talking about Gino kanina, having a different perspective. Ano
Yeah.
ito doon? How does it work? What is his point of view dito sa pelikulang ito? I mean, without having to tell the whole story of Love Me Tomorrow.
But iba yung take niya eh. He's younger. He's a millennial. Okay, let's put it that way. He's in a different world, unfamiliar to me, and he is opening my mind and my eyes to it. No, that's why we had the immersion. Kasi alam ko naman ang club boy. Naka-clubbing naman ako noon, pero iba na yung clubbing ngayon eh.
How
diba? It's a
different is
different
it?
culture now.
How different is it compared to at least our time?
Well, for example, the young ones, they don't label anymore their relationships.
Walang label na?
Why don't you label your relationship?
Yes.
Diba? Dati-rati, ano kayo ngayon? MU? O, di ba?
Okay.
Kami na. Ngayon, wala nang ganyan, boy.
Ano na?
Wala nang mga labels. Wala nang.
Straightforward yan.
Wala, it's funny. And then,
Ayaw
syempre, you know, when I got to see the new clubs,
Yeah. Okay, but Don,
interesting.
na your take, walang labels, pero ano yun? Pero may relasyon, may pagmamahalan, or ano yun? What is
I
it?
suppose naman, meron din naman talaga mga real, no?
But because of the absence of labels, ano yan? Mas bukas, mas dangerous, di
I
ba?
suppose, yeah.
And you're looking into this kind of lifestyle in this
Seeing
movie.
this, yeah, I'm seeing this because I'm working with younger characters. The characters are younger. That's Colleen, you know, and that's PJ.
Okay, PJ Piolo, how is it working with Piolo Pascual?
He's a dreamboat. Okay,
Yes,
he
he
really
is.
is a dreamboat, and he's such a gentleman, and he's just so charming, just so nice.
He's a wonderful person inside and out, no?
Like me.
But in terms of your being actors, yung proseso niya bilang isang aktor, because he's also very serious
Yes,
in his
he's very
craft.
serious
Kumusta
also.
kayong dalawa?
I'm so far enjoying it. I don't know about him, but
I'm sure he
I think
is.
he's enjoying it too. Because, you know, we have the moments wherein, you know, we just, you know, we really get into the part and we have fun. We just have fun with
Colleen.
it. Si Colleen kasi, I think I've only done one, I think only one with her. Pero I hope to do more
She's very
scenes with
smart.
her. Yeah, she's also very talented, very dedicated actress. So I'm excited to work with her too.
Okay, when you think about this project, Love Me Tomorrow, Dawn, because obviously this is going to be a love triangle among you, Colleen, and Piolo. So far, after reading the script, after shooting a couple of days, what are you learning?
Na nalilipasan na ako ng panahon.
Hindi mo. Nagagawa
Alam mo naman, kaya lang siyempre, matagal-tagal na akong hindi lumalabas na seeing the nightlife, no? And then, and
Padis
beginning
tayo,
na
ma.
to get to know the new generation eh.
It's good,
Yung
huh?
culture na nila.
But do you understand better now why some older women get into affairs?
Yes, I do.
You do.
Yes, I do. And I think it is something that we should embrace. It is new. It kind of feels like it's time. But I see it this way. Kung wala kayong attachment with anyone, you're free, she's free, why? What's wrong with that? It's only age.
That's right.
Di ba?
Ako naman gusto ko yung mga tanong kasi that provoke. You know, I like
Yeah.
questions that disturb.
Yeah.
Not because hinahanap natin, pero ang dami mong natututunan doon sa mga tanong na hindi komportable.
Oo.
Diba? So, similar to, I'm sure, that whole discourse about older women or men with younger,
Right.
whatever.
Right.
You know, but I don't think we should close our lives simply because hindi yun ang nakasanayan.
Yes.
And hindi naman lahat ng nakasanayan tama.
Oo.
Diba? Okay, so looking forward to the movie.
Yes, I am too.
Looking forward to the movie.
I will be
and
back, to promote.
Of course.
And we will be back here.
Okay. Muli, imbitahan mo ang lahat para makasama natin sa huling linggo ng You're My Home.
You're My Home, huling linggo na po. Sana po tabayanan ninyo every day hanggang next week. Ito na po, tuloy-tuloy na po ang mga twist and turns. So.
Okay.
Ma-
Maraming salamat. And now,
Ma,
let's
sino
move
kidnapper
fast
ni
forward.
Bill?
Ito, mabilisan tayo. Okay?
Huwag ka dito, shit.
Sexy or cute?
Sexy.
Roller coaster Ferris wheel.
Roller coaster.
Dagat ilog.
Dagat.
Shampoo, conditioner.
Shampoo.
Smooth hair, smooth skin.
Smooth hair. Ay,
Aswang tikbalang.
aswang.
Aswang.
Tuyo, sardinas.
Tuyo.
Pareho lang.
Sinigang na baboy, sinigang na hipon.
Pareho din.
Sago gulaman.
Ay, pareho rin.
Palitaw, pichi-pichi.
Pichi-pichi.
Madonna, Cyndi Lauper.
Madonna.
Mas mabuting ina, ikaw o si Marian Fontanilla?
Si Marian.
Ano mas mahirap?
Oh!
Gumising sa umaga o matulog sa gabi?
Gumising sa umaga.
Oo o hindi? Nakagamit ka na ba ng kulambo?
Oo naman.
Richard Gomez or Piolo
Oh!
Dessert you can eat every day.
Chocolate.
Favorite part of your house?
My bedroom.
Favorite household chore?
Organizing.
Best thing from the 80s?
Music.
Last thing you regret doing?
Not spending enough time with my kids.
Whose mind do you want to read?
Yours, boy.
Kung lalaki ka, sino ka?
Kung lalaki ako siguro si G. G, ang hirap naman ito. Kung lalaki ako na lang siguro si Jacobo. I'd like to know what my son is thinking.
Ano ang nagpapakilig sa'yo ngayon? Ayaw ko. Okay. Sadness is...
Sadness is not being able to eat what you want to eat.
Oh my God.
Happiness is...
Eating everything you
That's
Alam mo
cool.
yan.
Okay, bilang Christy, your character in Love Me Tomorrow, sino ang mas batang lalaki na gusto mong sabihan ng Love Me Tomorrow?
Mas bata, di ba?
Oo, mas bata.
Oh my God!
Sorry, Gong. So, matanda ka kesa sa akin. Si Piolo.
Oh!